Mzumbe is not a safe place, including Folipubezi Mzumbe. Umusamseleko knows that. So without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. New the rest of the houses, Somali Peace and Fusele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself, guys. Ziyakhala lapana eMzumbe. Umusamseleko is complaining, saying no one wants to stay in Mzumbe. Usnesh has left Mzumbe. Do you still remember around January, Usnesh made a video showing us Mzumbe and she was alone. And people were worried ukuthi ayibosine uhlala kanjani lana eMzumbe uyi-1, and some people are saying what she's staying no Makwela. Apparently Makwela, she's no longer staying in Mzumbe, guys. And people on season 8, when Mpumelelo was doing his speech on his father's birthday, he was saying ukuthi yena libhubesi laseMzumbe, and people were like, yo, the wives need to get out of Mzumbe before it's too late, because if anything happened, they're gonna have a problem. Mpumelelo is gonna own Mzumbe. Apparently Mpumelelo, he's gone, he's no longer staying in Mzumbe. Maybe Umayini had a conversation and Mpumelelo was like, my son, you need to start your new life. This thing othi musamsaleko othi wena ulibhubezi, you're gonna take care everything, forget about it. Remember, we're in Sitembu, you're not alone. There are people, there are other people, so you are not special. So maybe that's the reason why Mpumelelo decided to move out of Mzumbe, because musamsaleko mentioned something ukuthi Mpumelelo akafuna ukuhlala eMzumbe. I thought Mpumelelo wants to control Mzumbe, guys. Size simbize njengelibhubesi laseMzumbe, but right now seems like nobody cares ngomzumbe. And uMacele, guys, do you remember uMakhumalo and Mangwabe? They used to complain ngoMacele saying ukuthi ufunani endabeni zaseMzumbe because yena uhlala eSeapark. Right now she's agreeing noMsamsele ukuthi uLwandla angeze uhlala eMzumbe. It means that she didn't want Mpumelelo to stay lapha eMzumbe. Now she's happy, she wants to take over Mzumbe, guys. Even though she doesn't want to stay, she just want to have a control as a first wife. So guys, the vele uSnebenge ahlale. Some people are saying ukuthi uSne, guys, bekuzobazima. Remember uSne, she doesn't have an income, she depends on other people. So for her to stay in Mzumbe, I don't know the distance between Mzumbe and Seapark. If you don't have airtime, what are you gonna do? So anyway, guys, that's why people are saying another reason why they left Mzumbe has nothing to do no Mpumelelo, guys. On a serious note, apparently there is a mine operation going there, so it was becoming unsafe for them to live there. That's why the house ceilings are falling in, the walls are cracking, probably due to the busting. Do you still remember people were complaining for season 8 saying the ceiling is falling apart? There was nothing she could do, guys. The mining, guys, the problem, they stayed near the mine. She works at the mine, so she understands the situation. There was nothing. That's why she has a house in Durban. I think now she has 2 houses. So guys, yeah, it is what it is. So now he's blaming the wives to say, yo, they don't want to stay in Mzumbe. It is very hard to stay in Mzumbe, guys. You need to maintain the house. There's something that you need to do. Things are falling apart. There's nothing they could do, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.